This round orange cat is absolutely terrified of a tiny green toy snake, and it is pure comedy. My brain has officially disconnected from the server for the entire weekend.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, go, 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 wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Lucy has been incredible since the day we brought her home, but the truth is that our little family is growing in more ways than one. When we first called her a small addition, we clearly underestimated her potential for physical expansion. She started out as a tiny ball of fluff, and now she occupies approximately 75% of the hallway at any given moment. Lucy is no longer just a pet, she is a structural hazard and a full-time blanket relocation specialist. If you even whisper the word walk from 3 rooms away, she will materialize out of thin air like a furry brown freight train carrying her favorite towel as a peace offering. We might need a bigger house or at least a wider hallway to accommodate our growing chocolate legend.
But honestly, I think she's gonna be just fine. I think I'll be the one finding it tough. I pray Lucy serves as an example to any new families out there. If we include them, they'll include us. So we all appreciate that.
The coolest cat in the world relaxes with a refreshing coconut while his chaotic companion loses every single brain cell it sees. Behold this majestic orange fluffball who has successfully conquered the highest peak in the living room, known as the cupboard top. He started with a look of pure determination before quickly transitioning into a state of profound existential dread. Is he a brave explorer or just stuck? Only the dust bunnies know the truth behind this dramatic feline descent into boredom.
Buruan tuh, kencing lagi di situ. Ah, itu lemari itu. Tuh. Ayo, buruan turun ya.
The culinary critic has arrived and the verdict is in. This pumpkin mash is acceptable, but please ensure the shrimp to vegetable ratio is triple tomorrow. Shopping for essentials in the store finally delivered exactly what I ordered. These designer handbags are getting much fluffier and louder than the online photos. Behold the ultimate fluffy potato who is clearly reconsidering every single life choice made this morning. This tiny majestic cloud looks like it accidentally opened the front camera while experiencing a major existential crisis. Do not be fooled by the cuteness, because this round loaf is definitely plotting world domination.
I can see though my eyes are closed.
Focus on the prize, then miss entirely while looking like a very confused little marshmallow.
Can you guys stop calling me cute? I'm not cute. I'm mean and scary, and I'll kick your butt. So, thanks.
Look at this golden little loaf of absolute perfection just vibing in his bright yellow tent today. He started off showing his best fluffy angles before realizing the camera was on him. Now he is giving us that intense stare down like a tiny boss. Honestly, his cuteness is just completely illegal at this point. That Alice book behind me is less confusing than this pink string.
Rồi xuống ơi, đem qua đi nha. Ê, nó ngu quá à, nó đòi nhảy xuống kìa, trời nó ngu ghê.
I wish that I could bake a cake made out of rainbows and smiles and we'd all eat and be happy.
She doesn't even go here.
This gray cat decided to taste a raw chicken foot before it was even cooked. He really took step over my dead body quite literally. Imagine a superhero in a fur coat who finally realized that saving the day is actually exhausting work. This feline legend spent her entire afternoon diligently dragging her tiny kittens to safety by the side of the road like a dedicated 4-pod taxi service. Once the final passenger was safely delivered to the curb, she decided that she had officially clocked out for the day. She literally collapsed right in the middle of the street because being a mother is basically a full-time job without any coffee breaks. Thankfully, the rescue squad arrived just in time to give her the VIP treatment she deserves. From emergency oxygen masks to gourmet syringe snacks, she is now living her best life. Motherhood is definitely a struggle, but at least she gets world-class room service now.
Penjilaan. Bayi. Main abisan. Kon babon ini manaan. Ini sekolah toys. Cia. Tia đây. Ôi người.
Behold the intense focus of a professional hunter as she evaluates the incoming threat. It starts with a suspicious stare followed by a tactical crouch, but everything changes when the giant fish arrives. From fierce predator to toy lover instantly. This chunky cat behaves like a tiny lion until human hands arrive. Then the fierce predator becomes a soft pile of mush.
Makan,